Welcome back to Tech Goods, the best greenhouse kits in 2026 that help you grow plants year-round with ease and efficiency. Whether you are a beginner gardener or an experienced grower, these greenhouse kits offer durability, smart design, and great value. Stay with us to discover the top picks that can transform your gardening experience. Check the links in the description. Number 5. The Backyard Discovery Poppy 9x6 Cedar Wood and Polycarbonate Walk-in Greenhouse Kit is a thoughtfully designed solution for gardeners who want a reliable and attractive space for year-round plant growth. Built with 100% cedar wood, this greenhouse offers natural durability and resistance to decay, making it a strong choice for outdoor environments. The light brown finish adds a warm and modern appearance that blends beautifully into most backyard settings. One of the standout features is its impressive all-weather performance. The structure is ProTech tested to withstand heavy snow loads of up to 2,600 pounds and wind speeds reaching 100 miles per hour when properly anchored. This level of durability provides confidence for gardeners living in challenging climates. The commercial-grade 4-wall polycarbonate roof and window panels improve heat retention by up to 30% compared to standard panels, helping maintain stable temperatures for healthier plants throughout the seasons. Ventilation is equally well designed. A temperature-activated exhaust fan works alongside an easy open window to promote airflow, prevent overheating, and encourage natural pollination. Inside, the spacious 50-square-foot layout includes generous staging shelves, a 4-tier rack, and plant hooks, allowing efficient organization for seedlings, pots, and tools. The integrated power port with electrical outlets and USB ports adds modern convenience, while interior and exterior hose connections simplify watering tasks. Pre-cut and pre-drilled components make assembly manageable with guided instructions through the Built app. Overall, this greenhouse combines durability, smart functionality, and attractive design, making it an excellent investment for serious home gardeners. Number 4. The Backyard Discovery Zalie 11x7 Cedar Wood and Polycarbonate Walk-in Greenhouse Kit is a premium gardening structure designed for growers who want a spacious, durable, and well-equipped environment for year-round cultivation. Built from 100% cedar wood, the frame delivers excellent strength while naturally resisting decay, moisture, and outdoor wear. The light brown finish and clean architectural lines create a modern appearance that enhances both traditional and contemporary backyard spaces. Durability is a major highlight of this greenhouse. It is ProTech tested to withstand snow loads of up to 4,400 pounds and wind speeds reaching 100 miles per hour when properly anchored. This level of resilience makes it suitable for challenging weather conditions and provides long-term reliability. The commercial-grade 4-wall polycarbonate roof and window panels improve insulation by retaining up to 30% more heat compared to standard double-wall panels, supporting healthy plant growth across changing seasons. Ventilation is carefully engineered with a temperature-activated exhaust fan and 2 easy open windows that encourage airflow and natural pollination. These features help regulate internal temperatures and prevent excessive humidity. The spacious 86-square-foot interior offers a built-in workstation and 23 linear feet of foldable and fixed staging shelves, giving gardeners flexible organization for plants and tools. Modern convenience is enhanced through the patented PowerPort system with electrical outlets and USB ports, allowing easy connection of gardening equipment. Interior and exterior hose hookups simplify watering tasks from seedlings to mature plants. With pre-cut and pre-drilled components supported by guided assembly through the Built app, installation is straightforward. Overall, this greenhouse delivers excellent performance, functionality, and style for serious home gardeners. Number 3. The Backyard Discovery Bellerose 11x7 Cedar Wood and Polycarbonate Walk-in Greenhouse Kit is a beautifully designed gardening structure that combines durability, functionality, and elegant outdoor style. Constructed from 100% cedar wood, this greenhouse offers excellent strength and natural resistance to decay, making it well-suited for long-term outdoor use. The light brown finish paired with an attached pergola creates a charming and inviting space that enhances the visual appeal of any backyard while providing additional room for climbing plants or decorative lighting. Engineered for reliable all-weather performance, the greenhouse is ProTech, tested to withstand snow loads of up to 5,700 pounds. and wind speeds reaching 100 miles per hour when properly anchored. This impressive durability ensures dependable protection for plants throughout the year. The commercial grade 4 wall polycarbonate roof and window panels improve heat retention by up to 30% compared to standard panels, helping maintain consistent growing conditions even during colder seasons. Ventilation is carefully managed through a temperature-activated exhaust fan and two easy open windows that promote airflow and natural pollination. Inside, the spacious 83-square-foot interior includes a built-in workstation, 32.5 linear feet of foldable and fixed staging shelves, and 6 plant hooks for efficient organization and flexibility. Modern gardening needs are supported by the patented PowerPort system featuring electrical outlets and USB ports for powered tools and accessories. Interior and exterior hose hookups simplify watering, while pre-cut and pre-drilled components allow straightforward assembly using guided instructions from the Built app. Overall, this greenhouse delivers exceptional performance, with timeless design for dedicated gardeners. Number 2. The Backyard Discovery Poppy, 11x7, cedar wood, and polycarbonate walk. In Greenhouse Kit is a spacious and well-engineered gardening solution designed for year-round plant cultivation. Built from 100% cedar wood, the structure provides excellent durability, along with natural resistance to decay and outdoor elements. Its light brown finish and pergola-style overhangs create a modern and inviting appearance that blends beautifully into backyard landscapes while offering additional space for decorative plants or hanging features. This greenhouse is designed to perform reliably in challenging weather conditions. It is ProTech tested to withstand snow loads of up to 4,200 pounds and wind speeds reaching 100 miles per hour when properly anchored. The commercial-grade 4-wall polycarbonate roof and window panels improve insulation by retaining up to 30% more heat compared to standard double-wall panels, helping maintain consistent temperatures for healthy plant growth throughout the seasons. Ventilation is thoughtfully integrated with a temperature-activated exhaust fan and two easy open windows that encourage airflow and support natural pollination. The 78-square-foot interior offers impressive functionality, including a built-in workstation, 45 linear feet of fixed staging shelves, a 4-tier staging rack, and 4 plant hooks that allow gardeners to organize tools and plants efficiently. The patented PowerPort system adds modern convenience with electrical outlets and USB ports for powering gardening equipment. Interior and exterior hose hookups, along with an included interior hose, simplify watering tasks. Pre-cut and pre-drilled components combined with guided instructions through the Built app make assembly manageable. Overall, this greenhouse delivers durability, smart features, and attractive design for dedicated home gardeners seeking reliable performance. Number 1. The Backyard Discovery Bellerose XL 13x11 cedar wood and polycarbonate walk in Greenhouse Kit is a premium gardening structure created for serious growers who need generous space, durability, and refined outdoor style. Built from 100% cedar wood, the greenhouse offers exceptional strength and natural resistance to decay, ensuring long-lasting performance in outdoor environments. The light brown finish, combined with an attached pergola, creates a timeless and elegant appearance that enhances any backyard while providing additional room for climbing plants and decorative accents. Designed for demanding weather conditions, this greenhouse is ProTech tested to withstand snow loads of up to 9,200 pounds and wind speeds reaching 100 miles per hour when properly anchored. This impressive structural strength provides reliable protection for plants throughout the year. Commercial-grade 4-wall polycarbonate roof and window panels improve insulation by retaining up to 30% more heat compared to standard panels, helping maintain stable growing temperatures in both cool and warm seasons. Ventilation is carefully engineered with a temperature-activated exhaust fan and two easy open windows that promote airflow and support natural pollination. The spacious 143-square-foot interior provides excellent functionality, featuring a built-in workstation, extensive lower and upper staging shelves, and 8 plant hooks. The large layout easily accommodates raised planters, tall plants, and gardening equipment. Modern convenience is enhanced by the patented PowerPort system, with electrical outlets and USB ports for powering tools and accessories. Interior and exterior hose hookups with an included hose simplify watering tasks. Pre-cut and pre-drilled components, paired with guided instructions in the Built app, make assembly more manageable. Overall, this greenhouse delivers outstanding capacity, durability, and style for dedicated outdoor gardeners. Thanks for watching our guide to the best greenhouse kits in 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect greenhouse to grow healthier plants and enjoy gardening all year long. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and gardening tips. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments, and we will see you in the next video.